आ गया हूँ किड्सलेट के स्टॉल पे एंड यहाँ पे जो प्रोडक्ट्स हैं वो एकदम यूरोपियन स्टाइल में बने हुए हैं, प्रीमियम क्वालिटी है एंड प्ले स्कूल्स के लिए ये जो है टॉप मोस्ट प्रीमियम प्रोडक्ट्स बनाते हैं। जानते हैं इनसे इनके बिजनेस मॉडल के बारे में। हेलो,
Hi, this is Mandeep Bhola. I'm director of Kidslet Play Structures Private Limited. So we have this brand called Kidslet, through which we manufacture all kind of outdoor playground equipments, outdoor fitness equipments. We do all kind of sports flooring. We do customized stuff, and we do interior designing as well. So when we talk about customized stuff, so whatever you could think of in terms of say a windmill design playground equipment, which you can see right over there. We have showed the picture, or something in the shape of a dinosaur, again you can see right over there. So these kind of customized things can be done, and we are using this material called HDPE, which is high density polyethylene, which is completely imported from Europe. So these are basically sandwich sheets, and again we can do any kind of designing or branding with it. So here you can see we have made a maze which is made in the shape of a turtle. Secondly, these days a lot of people are asking about wooden playground equipments, but the challenge with wood is that it will rot, it will splinter, and it needs maintenance. So what we are giving you, this is also HDPE in wooden design, so it doesn't require any kind of maintenance in it. Thirdly, whatever treatments we are doing on our metal surfaces, this allows us to give you a guarantee of 10 years against corrosion, which nobody else in India is giving. Fourth, we take care of minute things. For example, the platform, it has got curved edges here and here too. So it is absolutely safe for children. Even the slides what we are making, this has also got curved edges. So again, it is absolutely safe for children, and this material is also HDPE. With the same material, we have made this cube which has got different kind of games. As you can see here, it's an elephant. So you have to solve this puzzle by making this elephant. This side we teach children how to see the time, so they can adjust it by moving it. Let me show it to you. So as you can see, you can move this so children can see the time. Here also we have the spin to play panel. Two children will play, and whatever score comes, so they need to move it up. Then we have this maze. So the bottom line is, whatever design, whatever theme you have in mind, or let's say you travel the world, you see anything really exclusive, you can take the picture and share it with us, and we'll do complete customization for you.
and what about this product, sir?
This is calisthenics. So this we have recently launched at this exhibition. The beauty of this material is that you can do a lot of exercises with this. So this side we have a net climber, in which we are using this rope, which is completely imported from Europe. It has got 6 steel cores inside it, so you can't break this rope. You actually need a grinder to cut it. Secondly, you can do push-ups, you can do ninja climbing bars over here. Then we have a loop rung. Then you have this pull-up bar as well. And then if you recall the movie Mary Kom, in which Priyanka Chopra did this stunt, in which you have to hold it here and do it sideways. I'm not that fit, so I can't do that. So this is all.
And if we talk about the pricing of this part, what is the range of these products?
So see, it's a premium material, comes with a premium price, but yes, if you look at long way, then it is actually a very cheap in terms of pricing. Reason being, you're not spending even a single penny on maintenance. On this material, you don't require any kind of maintenance or polishing like which is required in wood. Whatever nuts bolts we're using, it's all stainless steel. So just to give you an idea, this we are selling it at the price of 5 lakh rupees, in which you're getting one slide, one ladder, one rock climber, and then 3 different kind of games. And again, we can do customization with this.
And this product?
This product is at the price of 2 lakh rupees, which has got 5 games, and all these games can be customized.
And the large one, this one?
This is for 2.5 lakhs, and this is all exhibition price, I'm telling you.
Okay.
Otherwise, the price is going to be increased.
And if we talk about your business model, it is B2B, B2C or something?
It's both, and we do export as well. So there are so we have our own in-house designing team. In manufacturing facility also we have all machines, so we do all customization, even for exports also. Like we have done exports in countries like Australia, British Virgin Islands, Bahrain, or our neighboring countries, where we have done a lot of projects.
And all these products are made in India?
100% made in India. But yes, some material is imported from Europe, as I said, because we don't get that kind of finishing or quality in India.
And if we talk about the vision of your company in next 5 years,
In next 5 years, our plan is that we should be a local brand for every country.
thank you. And if
So-
someone wants to contact you, the location.
So our office is there in Greater Noida. Our showroom is also there, so people can come there. And as I said, our vision that we should be a local brand for every country. So as Modi ji says, vote for local. So I would say vote for us, so that we can reach maximum number of communities all across the world. Thank you.